my dollars, make it hurt.
One eternity later.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the steering wheel first, because we are gonna use double-sided tape on here. So make it as clean as possible, and I have some isopropyl alcohol. Look at this. It's disintegrating. You need to stretch them a bit, so just stretch, don't worry about it. This is not my idea, it came with a kit, and I watched some other videos. They're actually doing it like this, so I assume this is correct. Don't forget the back. Okay, so I contacted the seller in Shopee. They say you should cut it here, but not here, because they actually glue it here so the thread doesn't come out when you sew it. What you do is you cut here, bit by bit, not too much, because it's irreversible. Then you just put it in until it's correct. What you want to do is, because we are using double the thread, so what you do is you do it like this. So you measure the first one, so what you do is grab both ends, both of these ends, put it together, then make a knot. You don't have to pull it too tight because we want this to be slightly big. The thread pattern we are doing is the crisscross pattern, so we need to go, so I got it here already. You need to go from the outside to the inside, so from here go under here. Then we do it again So from the outside to the inside, and you get this crisscross pattern. Don't be afraid to start, then just tighten everything. Usually it won't break. Then we can tuck this afterwards, like this. Especially the corner, you need to be extra tight. If it's not tight enough, get something sharp like this. Then you can hold it like, you can grab here and just yank it. It'll be all tighter, but not too hard, it will break. It's good to be tight, but if it's too tight, you'll be out of the thread's capability. Careful not to punch a hole into the leather. See, this is not tight enough because it's moving around. Top tip: turn the steering 180 degrees down when you are doing the top, so it's easier to access. And get a light. Possible, wait for the rain. It will be even better to work on.